In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve an expired DocuSign document. Now, if you've ever found yourself in a situation where a vital document expired before you could act on it, don't worry. We're going to navigate through the steps to restore that document smoothly and efficiently. First, you need to head over to DocuSign's homepage. Visit their official website by typing in the URL directly or using a bookmark, which can save you some clicks in the future. Once you're on the homepage, ensure that you're logged in with your credentials. Logging in is essential because all your documents are linked to your account. Once you're logged in, look for the Agreements tab. This tab is your portal to manage all of your documents signed, pending, and, as we're dealing with today, expired. Clicking on Agreements will reveal more options related to your documents. Next, you'll need to click on Envelopes. In DocuSign terminology, an envelope is a container or package that can hold multiple documents for signing. By clicking on Envelopes, you'll be able to see a comprehensive list of all your documents, including those that are still active, as well as those that have expired or are about to expire. Now, you'll notice a Show More button or link. Clicking on this will expand your current view, providing a more detailed and extensive list of documents. This option uncovers more layers and allows you to navigate through the different states your documents might be in. Following that, make sure to click on Expiring Soon. This section specifically filters documents that were nearing their expiration date and might not have been actioned on. It's a proactive way to keep track of your documents that are still within a critical window for action. The next step is to click on Deleted. The deleted section, contrary to what its name suggests, doesn't mean that these documents are gone forever. It's more like a holding area for documents that may need restoration. Here, too, you'll find your expired documents waiting for retrieval. Finally, for the crucial part, once you've found your expired document within the deleted section, you simply need to click on Restore. Clicking Restore will bring the document back into an active status, allowing you to take necessary actions, such as signing or sending it once more. And that's it. With these steps, you should be able to retrieve any expired document within DocuSign quickly. Remember, it's all about knowing where to look and understanding the structure of the application. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials simplifying your digital tasks. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.